Thank you, Kat, for that incredible introduction and somewhat unexpected. And thanks to all of you for not only the warm welcome just now, but for the warm welcome over these last couple days. This is my first time at the Code for America Summit. And when I asked my CFA colleagues what to expect, they said, well, expect it to be a little bit like a family reunion, and you're one of the new in-laws. And I must say, you're all great at welcoming in-laws into the family. My name is David Huebner, and I'm running the new talent initiative at Code for America. And the way that I like to talk about the talent initiative at Code for America is that if Code for America is going to be successful at truly meeting its goal of changing 21st century government, one of the ways it's going to do that is by helping governments hire and retain tech talent. And I think of our work as revolving around three core pillars. The first one, on the supply side. We need to continue the work that we're doing to grow the supply, to grow the pool of public interest technologists, to grow the field. It is something that Code for America has been doing since its inception, through the brigades, through the fellowship work, and obviously through events like this. We need to continue to do that, and over time, our goal is to build up a structured and sustainable pathway, or more than one pathway, into public interest technology. And that's what success would be on the supply side. Our second pillar, in the absence of that more structured and sustainable pathway, is to help with matchmaking. As an example of that, we have launched a job board at jobs.codeforamerica.org where we actually post high-impact jobs in government, and we try to match up people from our network to those jobs. So we heard about a bunch of jobs yesterday. If you or your government have jobs that are trying to get the word out about them, let us know, and we'll get them posted there and get them out to our network. But that matchmaking is completely dependent on the quality of the demand. And that brings me to my third pillar. How do we help governments truly build jobs that will allow people to thrive in those jobs? And I want to keep and dwell on this point a little bit longer, as I think it truly embodies what Jen was speaking about yesterday when she was quoting Cecilia Munoz. We don't only need to start with the user first when it comes to the tech. We need to start with the user when it comes to everything in government, and that includes people services. That includes how we hire and how we retain people. We need to start with the end user, and those are the government employees and the talent that we're trying to recruit into government jobs. We need to help governments adopt a user-centered, data-driven approach to hiring and retaining talent so that they can hire the right person at the right time for the right job and have the tools to allow that person to execute and grow. I believe that it is by adopting this user-centered, data-driven mentality and applying it to people services in government and coupling that type of thinking with the work to grow the field that we'll be able to truly change the talent pool in government. I'm very excited to get to work with all of you on that work and to work with a lot of our existing partners, including our next speaker, Zakiya Harris from Hack the Hood, the co-founder and chief education officer. Thank you.